here, we're at the Sholo Farmers Market and we're making Chipotle Agave pulled chicken. Come on over and get a sample here. We're going to be adding this beautiful Chipotle Agave sauce, which is like a Southwest barbecue sauce. It makes for easy, fast pulled chicken, pork, or beef sandwiches. It great for tacos, great in burritos. I like put this in a quesadilla. Oh my goodness. And then I bake my football wings with this too. And the agave caramelizes, so it's like a Southwest sticky wing. And you can't beat fast and easy, and you can't beat delicious any day of the week. So this is one of my 7 flavors of sauces. Hi, we're making Chipotle Agave chicken sandwiches or sliders. So I'm going to make the coleslaw, show you how to do that to top your sliders with. So a little bit of shredded cabbage, little bit of your, a dollop of sour cream, and a dollop of your favorite salsa verde. And just to your liking as far as the heat goes. So you can go really hot, or you can go, could go real mild. So it depends on who you're feeding, how you want to do that. And just mix that up, and you've got yourself fast and easy, but a Southwestern style coleslaw. And then it's just as simple as taking your Chipotle Agave chicken and topping your bun with it. Look at this. So these make great little sliders here. Check that out. And then a little bit of your coleslaw mix. And just pile that on. And top that with your bun. And I like a little bit of your cojeta cheese too. That is always, can't go wrong with cheese. A little bit of that on top. And there you go. You've got yourself a great poblano chicken slider. There we go. I'm sorry, a Chipotle Agave slider. See, that's what happens when you have 7 sauces to choose from. This is the Chipotle Agave sauce chicken sliders. Enjoy!